me, I'm always on a bike and zipping through the forest. So even though it's meditative and it's kind of rejuvenating in that sense, there's nothing like just actually stopping and just being still in nature and just enjoying the quiet. My name is Charlotte Batty. I am the owner of Minii Adventures mountain bike experiences, and I teach people how to mountain bike for a living. There's a reason I've chosen to live up in the Blue Mountains, because it's you're very close to nature, you're very close to being outside, and it's like a gateway to a whole other variety of networks. You know, you've got Barrie and Copeland, Horseshoe, like 45 minutes away, so it's just a great hub to be and have that all so accessible. So when I go mountain biking, you're not just going for the physical exercise or the challenge, but it's just to get out and just hear the sounds of nature. It's so great. My roots are to be outside in nature. So I love that the Scandinave really focuses on kind of the outdoor experience. So when I come to Scandinave, I think one of my favorite parts is actually just putting the robe on, because it's just such a homey, comfort feeling. And then I absolutely love laying in the hammocks, just that feeling of just being rocked and you can kind of doze off and have a little nap. It was really awesome to see, coming to Scandinave Spa this time, that they have a forest bathing path. My biggest piece of advice that I can give to other active women and women in general: always listen to your body. It's our greatest teacher. It's telling you what it needs. And the second is that the recovery is always equally as important as the activity itself. So making sure you're taking that time post-activity, whatever it is you're doing, to just give your body that chance to just recover and reset and rest, and then heal itself before you go and conquer the next thing.